Hello there and welcome to day 14 of Science Challenge. Today we're going to make a little lava lamp in a jar or in a glass. Okay, so you need a few things for this. You need some vegetable oil. Okay, please ask before you use this, just because we do actually need quite a bit of it, and I'll explain at the end the best way to dispose of it as well. So please make sure that you ask an adult in the house before you use that. We're going to use our Alka-Seltzer again. So hopefully you probably used one of these yesterday when you did your film canister rocket. You're going to need some food colouring and just some water. Okay. Now I've also got here a glass. I don't really like waste, and this one does use up quite a bit of oil. So I've got a jar which is as tall and as thin as possible. Okay, so have a look at home. See if you've got a jar that is tall and thin. If not, use a glass. But again, not anything too wide, because then you're going to waste oil and you're going to use more oil than necessary. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pop some vegetable oil into your jar. Okay, we're going to get a little layer of it, so I've got that much. Okay, which, like I said, is quite a lot. I don't really like waste, but it's quite a good experiment. I'm actually just going to get rid of a little bit of this water because I don't need all of this. Just pop it in there, get rid of that. Okay, and then I'm going to put some food colouring into my water. I'm going to make sure it's got a nice colour to it. Okay, I'm going to give that a bit of a swirl. Put my food colouring to one side. Thank you. Okay, so I've got a nice rich colour in my water. I'm then going to pour a layer of water into my jar, and I'm just going to let that settle. I might just add a little bit more. As you can see, I've got a nice layer there with my oil and with my water. So in probably about the 80s and 90s, those of us who were kids at that age, we used to have these things called lava lamps. You used to plug them in and they would give out light, but as they did, they would send this lava up and down. So we're going to try and recreate something for you today in your jar. So once you've got this, like so, you've got your coloured water in the bottom, so you can choose whatever coloured water you want. Obviously your oil is yellow, so go for probably a darker colour, maybe blue, or a dark green would look nice, or I've gone for a red. Okay, then you're going to take your Alka-Seltzer tablet. Now I've got a bit left over from yesterday's bottle rocket, film canister rocket. So you're going to drop in your Alka-Seltzer, and what you should start to see is some of the bubbles from your Alka-Seltzer rising and falling through your oil. Okay, so it's a really simple experiment today, but it's a really nice one. So you can literally, this will go on for the best part of an hour, so you can watch it. You can see, I'm just going to turn it around so you can see that nice little side. It will be really interesting to watch. There'll be lots of different little bits to it, and if you give it a shake, you'll see different things happening. So yeah, just enjoy it really, because it's quite a nice one to watch. This is a lava lamp in a jar. In terms of disposing of it, please don't just pour this amount of oil down the sink. That contributes to these things called fatbergs that we get in the sewage system. So the best thing to do is to pop it into a container and then put it in your black bin. Okay, so maybe ask an adult to help you with that. But yeah, something like a fat trap or a little Tupperware or something, or even soak it up with some kitchen roll. But don't pour it down the sink, not this much. Okay, all right, enjoy. Let me know how you get on.